Picture a cleaning tool so advanced that it doesn't just clean, it grooves. The Sonic Scrub isn't your average brush. It's a maestro in the world of grooves, designed to navigate the twists and turns of surfaces with the precision of a virtuoso musician. It's not just a cleaning instrument. It's a symphony conductor in the orchestra of cleanliness. Let's delve into the design, a harmony of form and function. The Sonic Scrub boasts an ergonomic handle that feels like an extension of your hand, ensuring that you maintain control as you navigate the intricate landscapes of grooves. The bristles, strategically positioned in a pattern that resembles the notes on a musical score, create a seamless flow of cleaning power. It's not just a brush, it's a composition of cleanliness. But what truly sets the Sonic Scrub apart is its groove-centric approach. It doesn't shy away from the challenge of tight spaces and intricate designs, it embraces them. The brush head, equipped with oscillating bristles, moves in sync with the contours of grooves, ensuring that every nook and cranny is treated to a cleaning symphony. It's like a dance partner that adapts to the rhythm of your surfaces, leaving no groove unattended. Versatility is the Sonic Scrub's middle name. It doesn't limit itself to a single type of surface, it grooves on them all. From tile grout to shower door tracks, keyboard crevices to textured surfaces, the Sonic Scrub is your all-in-one solution for groove-related cleaning conundrums. Bid farewell to the days of struggling with toothbrushes and cotton swabs. The Sonic Scrub is here to groove. As you power up the Sonic Scrub, you'll notice a hum, a vibration that signifies the beginning of a cleaning crescendo. This isn't just a brush. It's a high-tech instrument with a sonic vibration feature that takes cleaning to a whole new level. The vibrations aren't just for show. They're the secret weapon that shakes loose even the most stubborn dirt particles, turning your cleaning routine into a performance of efficiency. But what about those hard-to-reach grooves, you wonder? The Sonic Scrub has an answer. An extendable neck that reaches new heights, ensuring that every groove is within your cleaning reach. It's like the superhero of groove cleaning, stretching its capabilities to save the day and make your surfaces shine. No more bending and contorting to reach hidden spaces. The Sonic Scrub has got it covered. That is it, guy, for today. Don't forget to subscribe.